All right, everybody's asking for a up-to-date video. Motor's not in the car, but the fender well is all welded up, painted. Motor's ready to go in. We're getting the motor prepped right now. Got a new gas tank for the car. Sent out the fuel pump. Fuel pump's all rebuilt, ready to go in. Got some parts for the Firebird.
The tranny?
Got some new yeah, got the tranny back. The tranny's ready to go for the Nova. Got new tires for the Firebird. C7 Corvette brakes for the Firebird. 13-inch discs. Come with the calipers on them. Hub, spindles, everything. Got some rims for the Firebird. These things are beautiful. Took over 8 weeks to get these, and they are incredible. I bet the video does no justice. These are 17 by 4.5 for the front of the Firebird, and I got 15 by 16 wide for the rear of the Firebird. The new Weld Alphas. Pick that up. Those are really wide. Super, super nice wheels. That's his car behind him. 73 Real Z28. He just did a 383 nitrous motor for it. Drag radials. Redid the interior. Motor should be going in tonight or tomorrow on the Nova. Then the tranny, and hopefully running. Oh yeah, wanted to mention the headers. I heard from a few guys, Jet Hot will recoat one time warranty. I sent an email. She got back to me and asked me, could I send them so she could take care of it. We didn't get the headers out fast enough. Debbie at Jet Hot asked me to send them again. So we sent them, they recoated them for free and sent them right back. Very, very pleased with Jet Hot. Very great customer service. So hopefully the next video will be the car running.
So very good.